Good morning. It's 6 in the morning right now, and we drove from LA at 4 in the morning to get here and go do the Montecito here in Santa Barbara for the hot spring. And off we go.
7, 9, 10,
11,
12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23,
23 girls. Yeah, it's dark. This house has their own bridge. We're zero point 0.7 miles away from the beginning, and the hike is not as hard and muddy, although we crossed a bit of a stream several times. It's beautiful. I like the sound of water. Put a hand over here just in case. Yeah. Oh, Sasha, hold on.
she's okay.
Hold on, Sash. She's excited. There's a dog over there. See here. This hike is just beautiful. Very lush over here. Ooh, big rocks over here. Jesus. Ooh, wow. Circle around it. Oh, wow. That thing's gonna be hard. Ooh, she's sitting very comfortably right there. And it's gonna go around there. Watch out. It's not a bad hike. We rest a lot, so, and we wait a lot, and it's good because, you know, everyone has to be safe, and that's like the priority right now. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is beautiful right here.
Where is she? We look so concerned. I'm Verizon.
It's raining quite a bit, but we're still on the safe side. Someone from this club actually reached out to the ranger to ask if it's safe, and it's good to go. And we've suddenly reached our destination. Wow, it's really blue. How's the water? Oh, there's a top one right there. A hidden one. How is it?
It's warm. It's hot. I can see the steam coming out.
The top one is the hottest one. If you want your water like super hot, that is the water to go to. And as it trickles down, it gets cooler and cooler. I mean, you got options right here, right? Wow, that's really good. right now and we really had a great time. These are my takeaways from you. I forgot my towel, so next time bring a towel. Hike shoes are highly recommended. It's quite slippery. There are rocks that are slippery and it could get muddy. Like right now it's muddy because it's raining. Bring a bikini and just enjoy. We actually did another girls hike at Bridge to Nowhere and that's really fun. I have the link in my description. Always remember that life is a journey and love is a gift. See you next time and off I go.